I'm sure you're going to call this a heaven on plate. Let us prepare Tamilnadu style Rava Kichadi.
Awesome. Subscribe for more videos.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? In a kadai, add 2 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seed, 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon split urad dal, and fry this until golden. Add some chopped green chilies and chopped ginger. Add 2 medium-sized onion finely chopped and mix this well. Add some curry leaves and 1 medium-sized chopped tomato, 1 cup of carrots, beans and green peas. Fry these vegetables together. I am adding 1 cup of roasted rava. Mix this well together. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and salt as needed and give this a good mix. Fry this until you get a fine aroma and add 3 cups of boiling hot water. Keep the stove and simmer. Mix this well. Add 2 tablespoon ghee. Give it a good mix. Add an extra glass of water for some loose texture. Cover and cook this for 5 to 7 minutes. Add extra ghee for additional flavor. Make sure to mix the khichdi now and then so that they don't stick to the bottom. Please do give this a try and share your feedback in comments. Chamayal ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.